Let's make the best Rice Krispie treats. I mean, these really come out so gooey and ooey soft. They're creamy. I mean, that condensed milk does the trick. So let's start with a very optional step, toasting the rice cereal in the oven. So you're going to put it on a sheet pan for a few minutes in the oven, and you'll see some nice brown and golden bits throughout the cereal. It really adds some nice flavor. So grab the pan you're going to place your delicious Rice Krispie treats in and line it with parchment paper, and then we're going to head on over to the stove. In a pot, we're going to add a stick of butter. I use a little bit of brown butter that I have prepped. It really adds a lot of flavor to these treats. Add in a full can of condensed milk. Now you can add a little bit less if you'd like, if you're not wanting it as sweet, but it really is a must. So we're at a low to medium heat here, and we're just mixing until that butter really combines with the condensed milk, and you can see those nice brown bits from the brown butter. Pour in one 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows into that delicious condensed milk mixture, and then we're just going to continuously stir until those mini marshmallows has melted about halfway. Grab another 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows and pour in about half of it. We're going to use the other half to mix into the treats later. When that marshmallow mixture has fully melted, pour in about a good tablespoon of high quality vanilla. It really adds a lot of flavor to these treats. Grab a mixing bowl that has the Rice Krispies cereal, and then we're going to pour in that really delicious marshmallow mixture onto the cereal. Now we're just going to grab that rubber spatula and really give that a good mix. You're going to have to go all the way around the bowl, and then don't forget underneath, just to really coat that cereal and marshmallow mixture really well. Honestly, doesn't that just look so nice and creamy? So we're going to grab that other half a bag of mini marshmallows and add it into the Rice Krispie treats mixture. I kept a few mini marshmallows to the side just to top it when we place it into the pan. So just mix, mix, mix. So now we're going to grab our pan and just scrape that mixture right into it. We're going to grab our rubber spatula and we're going to spread the mixture into an even layer, trying not to push down too hard to really pack that mixture down. It really makes the treats dense. So you kind of want to push it and scrape it a little bit, but basically just as even as possible. So I like to add those mini marshmallows on top, but it's completely optional. And then we're pretty much done here. It's just the waiting game now. You'll want to let this set for a minimum of 30 minutes. 2 hours is best. And then we're going to just grab it when they're all set up from our pan, and then we're going to cut it into squares. You can cut these Rice Krispie treats into 8 pieces, 12 pieces, and even 16 pieces. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Give it a try. It is the best Rice Krispie treats. So you can find the full printable recipe on the blog right in the description box.